Can you imagine?
Them
Can
literally
you imagine?
Blackfoot Star. So we get transfers from several persons from time to time, you know what I mean?
We're doing business.
Right.
When you want content quality, there's one place I gotta be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delpit family. The Delpit family. The Delpit family. The Delpit family. The Delpit family.
What go on, peeps?
Hey y'all.
Welcome back to the channel, you see me?
Welcome back to another Delpit video.
Yeah, man.
So the last time you guys saw us on the road like this, we were actually going to check out some prices for some stores. Well, one of the stores that we visited at that time, they're having a sale today, and we're going to check it out.
Yeah, most likely them did upon some good price. Them have some up to 50% off, you know. So this is generally how we do our thing. We always scope out and, you know, look for items that we want, and we just wait for the sale them. You see me? So we'll check it out, guys.
Like, I'm so excited. Like, this is the time of year. Remember, I told y'all last year, when it comes time for like Adrian's birthday, a peer sale go on. You have to just make sure say you have your pocket ready. You have to save up your money, right? Because these are the time of the year when we see all the sales and you can get some good deals.
True.
So yeah,
true.
so we like to do it.
Yeah, guys. So yeah, man. So as you know, come into the video, guys, I want you to just hit the like button for us.
Yes, give us that thumbs up.
Yeah, man. Give it a thumbs up, guys. You know, give it a fat thumbs up.
And remember to subscribe if you haven't already.
Of course.
Turn on your post notification bell. Put the setting on all.
Of course, of
right?
course.
And stay tuned.
Yeah, man. By the way, guys, you can look behind me and see it right there, so.
Yeah. Like, I've been waiting for this for such a long time. Let me give y'all a good close-up. So this is Kai Kai's bassinet. Yes.
A long time I wait for it, you know, guys. So
Put Carrie to bed. Carrie got up. Stressed out him father a little bit. Then his father come and was like, he's awake and he's not going back to sleep. I tell them I wash my ear and all these things, you know.
yeah.
Right? So I had to scurry out of the bathroom. But the long story short, Kai slept on the bed last night, which that means you know, you're just not getting that nice good sleep, and I get it. Little boy, you know, got the bed at the 360. Like, so I'm glad saying passing him pack and play come, because I'm gonna do an official unraveling of it later and put up in bassinet, and boy, you're gonna sleep in there. I'm gonna make him know.
Straight. Yeah, guys, by the way, you see me? Actually, a company, Ana Luisa, reached out to us, you see me, and sent us a bunch of jewelry, some fine jewelry, whatever them have, you know?
Yeah.
We really like them catalog, guys. Actually, went to the website, they have some really nice stuff. Alright, so guys, if you are interested, you can go have a look as well. Link will be in the description. We have a discount code DelPatFam10 at checkout. You get a 10% discount. You see me? I mean, well worth it, guys, especially for women, mainly women jewelry. They have rings, chain, all of that, guys, bracelet, all of that. Can go check it out. You see me? Yeah, man. So
alright, guys.
Yeah, man.
Alright, guys, so go check that out.
Yeah, man, definitely. So we're gonna run to the store now, see what go on, guys. So stay tuned. Guys, nah lie, look at wifey come out, you know. Watch out. She hot so. Eh? Yeah, hot so. Yeah, dear God. We're at the store. Alright. Alright, so guys, so them say it's furniture 20% off. Alright. So yeah. Everything furniture 20% off. That's not so bad, because if you look for your item, we have for 200,000. You end up get if you look for your item for 200,000, you end up spending 140, 160. You end up spending 160. Yeah, not bad. Yeah.
What the prices? The prices, you have to add tax to these prices, I think.
Yeah, Alright, so Hello. Yeah. Oh no, we should now. Yeah, so we're gonna go look on these items.
Nice. I like this.
Oh,
I like this.
yeah, if you go if you have a big outdoor space, you can go for this 300,000 plus stocks. Yep. Alright. Furniture 20% off. Alright. Alright, so we're in the area.
Oh, at least you're thinking about this?
No, with a back. Come with back. With back. When these weren't here before, them here nice though. I like them here. How much for these? 20 grand, 19 plus tax.
Yeah, 19.
Oh, them look sturdy though.
Yeah.
I like them. I like them. Yeah, them nice.
Alright, you know, it doesn't too bad.
Yeah,
That I won't have the back
the
support.
back support, yeah.
That have the swinging for Jaden.
Yeah. Everything 20% off.
So let's do some maths and see how much we'll actually pay for the stools that we were looking on before.
Alright, yeah, we'll check it out. Oh, but a different style them have, man. Call one there. The one there and
I like this. I like this.
yeah.
I like this. And oh, this is 18.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Alright. I know Jaden King Pupali can for them that are think Jaden easy. Right. 39 plus stocks. So you think you'll grab it? You grab them?
140. I like them stools, you know.
You like them? I think what do you think about the dark color cloth one here?
I do like it. I like it.
I think I prefer more than the leather, you know.
And I said that the last time, don't you?
I think I don't
I like
remember,
it.
but yeah.
Yeah, I like these colors. I have two questions though. Our space, can our space manage this?
I roughly the same size like the next chair, them not different.
True, and I think we are looking to expand our space sooner rather than later. So, anyway, we don't want to go buy small stools and then later on we have to go change them out again.
Yeah. Let me see them
But then
again.
probably I could get fancy. I don't know.
Them are nice
Like,
though, man.
Let me tell you guys, the stools that I wanted initially, they were so nice. They were white. Can you imagine when they were white? I'm gonna take off this. I don't need to see my face. You can imagine somebody who are white stools. No, I was thinking about it now, I said, girl, you must be mad. You know what kind of stress you put yourself through?
True. Especially for cloth, eh? Like fabric.
It wouldn't be cloth, it would be leather, but still, like.
It wouldn't stain. It wouldn't stain.
No, depends
If
on
I
the
pour it,
leather.
yeah.
And two, you know that tear it. Yeah, you're not gonna tear these.
Let me feel that one more time.
This feel nice though.
I feel it. Oi, that's a fat though.
Yeah, shut up. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This right in here, so it kind of have some rolls. I don't know if you can pick that up. I don't know if the camera picking it up.
It that's natural when it bend. When the fabric bend, you kind of get that.
Yeah, but I don't know. What do
I
you
work
think,
with
though?
this. I like this. I work
Alright.
with this. Guys, watch out. Like seriously? The stool coming here for buy. Look here.
Yeah.
We not understand this. Watch out.
It's a good look, people. It's a good look. 50% off. You must get stuck up. You just have to go on.
Alright, go and spin. Go and spin. Them know if we catch you. Them know if we catch you.
True. Not tell a lie. 50% off, you definitely
God.
catch me. Yeah. Alright, so finding one more. Just one more me I look for. So get you
Finally.
yeah. So basically we got a good purchase. We got 20% off of our purchase, so that
Yeah.
is awesome. Basically, we get one free, almost free. Yeah.
Guys, we get like a 40 something $1,000.
Yeah, like 46
Off.
plus off.
Yeah, basically. Yeah, I want to tell you, say, guys, the people them all have 50% on lighting and decor and them thing there. And,
Yeah.
you know, seeing that we'll be building a new Airbnb apartment. I don't know if you guys saw that video. You can
Yeah,
check it
big
out.
announcement
Link in this info card right there. Right, so we need to do some shopping.
Yeah.
For the place, so
Definitely.
this is a perfect opportunity for us. So we will be, you know, we're gonna go there back. You see me, do some
Yeah.
planning as it relates to the whole plan for decorate the place, and we're gonna go back and do some shopping as it relates to that.
Definitely.
You know? Yeah, man. But guys, why something reached the other day, man, tell you star like, you know, Western Union Black, you know, I tell you.
Can you imagine?
Them
Can you
literally black
imagine?
with stars. So we get transfers from several persons from time to time, you know what I mean?
We're doing business.
Right.
So of course you're going to do transfers, right?
Yeah. And things. So we have persons send us money, so we do a thing online. We're not really going out store, so we do a thing online. So we call, boom, me I try to get this transfer. The people them say, yo, me need to talk to the recipient. Them don't know what them say like the transfer is. Me don't know. They like them not give me no information. Yeah, man. So when I call the sender now and tell her to call Western Union because them say for call. Them say she must call, so she call. Them say the transfer is cancelled. It can't go through. But yes, them cannot give any reason. So I start get antsy now because as I say several little transfers when I get and things it's through them, so I need to know what's up because I don't want to have my money all up.
Yeah.
When they check it out now, them tell me say, boy, them flag with because several transfers coming in and really, but me I say, nobody now complain. So why block us? Why try to stop us? You get me I say?
You can't say that. Them want to mix worse, you not scam nobody.
But it just messed up, so we'd have to
That is true.
provide a whole bunch of documents and verification to
Exactly.
say we are
And
doing this legitimate business and whatever and
it took us quite a long time.
Days. I remember they transferred them up in the ear now, you know.
Yeah.
You know, so
It was rather frustrating. And I guess it just comes down to how complicated things have gotten. Simply to do business
hard to do
because
business.
of some people.
Yeah.
Some people make it very hard for people who are doing legitimate business out there to get
true,
business
man.
done.
Yeah.
And it's just a lot of people just can't trust you.
Yeah.
You know?
Guys, if you are trying to do wire transfers these days overseas, problem, it's hard. Everything just becomes so difficult these days doing business.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
That's because
Remittance,
of dishonest people.
Remittance has shut down people. And several persons me no complain say yo Western Union or MoneyGram and them place they block them, you know. Me I say, me I just say to myself, there must have one scrupulous thing them involved in or whatever. That was my thought.
Yeah, until it happened to us and they were like, okay, well we didn't do anything wrong though.
Exactly.
And we have proof, and you even have record on your system of where we're getting our money from. So, you know what I mean?
But you know, it could have been different for us. What if we couldn't really prove the business that we're doing? You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
Because there are persons who have a hustle sometime, you know, where
you're doing your
buy and sell or whatever,
Exactly.
and yet there's no real trace.
yeah.
So what you gotta do? You gotta just block the people, them.
Yeah, let's get black and done.
That don't make no sense.
Yeah.
But we were lucky that at least the businesses that we are doing, there's some trace, there's some, you know, accountability can be done so them able for free. Because them
Yeah.
claim say the Bank of Jamaica or whoever the regulatory organization for Jamaica financial sector, they are the ones that really want to make sure say
Everything is
alright, you know, but I just something to note.
Yeah.
You know, if you use remittance to do business from overseas, you have to make sure say all the paperwork them up because you're in a problem.
Yeah,
You know?
For
They
real.
might flag you. Especially if you're getting transfers from various persons, you know?
Babe, buy water for me. Please.
Alright.
So guys,
Hello. Yo! 2 back of water now.
I go on my family.
There man, 2 back of water.
No, my pass 2 back water fast.
do I change it now?
Hurry up.
Hurry up.
Yeah. Aye.
Party, my boy.
Mad,
Party
yeah.
dollar more. Cost of living gone up.
Mark side, that's how that go.
Cost of living gone up.
Hold that, yeah. Good. Funky.
Man say cost of living
Living
gone
gone
up.
up. A 120 and up your back of water in the streets.
Yeah,
My
cost of
God.
living gone up. Ah, God.
$120. Normally I like $80 and it reach $100 now 120.
A little while back it was like for $30, $30+. So
Yeah, make them know how old they are. Yeah, give them a hint.
yeah, me a big man. Yeah, people, big man. Yes. So guys, we have for those we're making all the things them, so like literally you can be doing legitimate business, but you have to, nowadays you have to have paperwork for everything you have to have paperwork for. You have to make sure you have your trace of where you're getting the money from.
You're
It must
guilty
be
till proven
documented.
innocent. Them a hold on for your money
Yeah,
till you can prove what is what.
which really sucks, you know what I mean, because it made it really hard for us to do our business for that particular week. It was really difficult, but
And the amount of time, you see the things I'm not like, you call the agent and buy your transfer.
yeah,
Only thing them a tell you say the money can't pay out, and them a tell you for call and check.
yeah, they're
call
not
customer.
being straight up. Like, if you have a concern, just let me know. Like, listen, we are putting this on a probe. We have a concern about this particular thing, that particular thing. This is where we stand.
Right.
Instead of having to call,
Yeah.
we are call the sender.
We are
We are
the
call
something.
Western Union. And eventually to find out that you guys are having a probe. Like, just
Exactly. Just tell us.
Yeah, just
so them
let
have
me
them
know.
have back and forth with the compliance department, and
Yeah.
so we feel like say yo some high level thing I go on and say yo Jano.
Yeah, like we had to be
Oh,
all
boy.
up and down on the phone for long hours trying to get people, and then you have to be following up. So you have to be calling and following up with this person and getting this person's name, and then it took a couple of days. And if we weren't vigilant, it would have taken us a much longer time.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Yeah, man.
that a go on.
Alright. Yeah, man. So we're on our way home, guys. Val's Kitchen, my mom, Val's Kitchen. So over there, I whip up something. So we're gonna go home and see what go on with that. You see me? So join us at home, guys. We out.
Bye.
Guys, reach home. You see me? Yeah. My mother there on our YouTube thing. You know.
Hi guys.
Yeah, man. So we're gonna get some behind the scenes footage of Val's Kitchen. You know. What you do today?
Ton corn meal and curry steamed fish.
Eh.
Yeah. So the ton corn meal we finished cook it already, you know.
Yeah.
And we just put it out to the baking dish.
Yeah.
You know. So what I'm gonna do now, just put a little garnish.
Yeah, man.
Just a little cilantro.
Eh.
So here it is.
Yeah, man. Let me see the fish. I'm interested in the fish, you know. So I go on with the fish, yeah. The fish, yeah.
Curry steamed fish.
Yeah, man. This look good. Yeah, man, this look good. So you can look out for this video. Yeah, man. Val's Kitchen, link in the description. Right, our curry steamed fish with tonka meal. Yeah, man, we are gonna dig in right now. You see me? So, shall wrap up for our video, and then should dish out and think I'm awesome. That's okay, Cass?
Yep.
Eh?
Definitely.
Yeah, man, a mad thing, man. Oh, and by the way, guys, see the stool, yeah? We get the delivery right on time. Yeah, man, we get them. You see it?
Looking good.
Yeah, man. A good look. Yeah. So, time to share out some of this. Oh, watch ya. Yeah, Maglia, Anna Louisa. Eh?
How them look?
Them nice, man.
Nice.
Them nice.
And peace.
What? Jewelry courtesy Anna Louisa, guys.
Yeah.
Right? Discount code DELPRATFAM10 in the description. Right? You get 10% discount code. Right? Anna Louisa. Some really nice pieces. Prices start at under $40, guys. Under $40. Yeah, man, the thing them up. So, mommy love your thing them.
Yeah, man,
we
them
see,
nice.
We see the pendant. Yeah, nice, man. Yeah, man, price to start, the pieces them reasonable, guys, and some really nice thing them. They now go wash over by you one time, one way, and then wash over. You know, really nice quality thing them. Yeah, see mine here. Yeah, man, See the thing there? Yup. Yeah man, so food time. So we there, see it here now? Yeah man.
Dinner settings.
From there me I bleach pan this you know. See it here? Yeah man. So you know the thing go guys. We're gonna dig in. Or we turn car meal.
Yeah.
So Jay, what you have to say? You excited?
Yes.
Yes, this is the type of fish you don't want to eat?
Yes.
Mmm. You know like ground fish. Okay, what kind of fish this? That's a snapper, that's a butter. And this a snapper right here, so. This a snapper, but that's a butter it look like.
I think I like butter.
Yeah.
So people, this is it. Now we're signing out this video and on your way out, so we're supposed to do.
Hit the like button, alright?
Yo.
Share the video guys. Appreciate the shares, you see me? It really helps us a lot.
And Jaden, what are they supposed to do?
Subscribe.
Yep,
Yes.
of course.
And turn on your post notification bell, put the setting on all.
Yeah, man.
Peace y'all.
Peace out guys.
Bye Jaden.
Bye.